Welcome back, guys. Today we have a 2006 Ford Expedition EVAP system. We have replaced the purge valve, which you just saw. Let me get that. The solenoid, which is back on the canister, and we did the line and a new fuel cap. So we replaced the fuel cap when we got the code. A check engine light came on. We got a P0445 or something like that. It was for an EVAP leak or a large leak. So the valve got replaced, which is fairly simple. It just comes on and slips off. Well, one-handed, but it just slips on there. And you have this top line. It goes around the back, and it comes around to this side here and connects to that right there. And I used the fuel line. This is the old line. As you can see, it's definitely had some issues. As you can see that the outer coating is completely off. So there's where our leak was. So after replacing the valve, the solenoid, fuel cap, it was this less than $5 part hose, about 2 feet long. That was probably the problem. So it's very simple to do. The solenoid, I'll show you here so you know what it looks like. This is a solenoid. It connects to the computer. This typically freezes open, so it comes in and out, and it regulates in this point here, which this is the main reason that this goes, the EVAP system goes out. This and the valve are the only two actual moving parts in the EVAP system on this particular car. I'm no mechanic, but I am a DIYer for sure, and I actually think after replacing these parts, I think the hose was the problem. I do believe that these probably are still good, but the car is relatively old, so it passed smog for some miracle that the technician passed it. I don't know how when there's a large leak, apparently, according to the computer. So we have replaced everything but the car at this point. I just wanted to share this with you guys and show you how simple this could be. Like I said, that's just clipped on there right there. It comes off. Two-handed, it's a lot easier. These hoses just come off. Don't try taking off these little clips. They don't. These hoses will just pull off. So you can unclip those, but these are salvageable. So if you're replacing the valve itself, then you have to get this little clip that you see here pulled off, and then you can pull off the hose or whatever. But I didn't have to do that. So anyway, like, subscribe, and that was the project for today. Fairly simple. Only cost me a couple $100 and then some. A lot of time waiting and figuring out what the problem and where the problem was piece by piece, but I think we got it. So we got to wait about 2 weeks for the drive cycle to complete. I'm not going to clear the engine light since it's the only code out there. I'm going to let the computer do its thing so it completes the cycle. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.